Do you have a closet full of junk too? Going through it can be pretty tough, but there's quite a few boxes here to go through. So we'll see what we can do. That's the way New Year's resolutions go. If you pick something big to do right away while you're still motivated, you might be able to get it accomplished. Going through it can be pretty tough. Our New Year's resolution is to go through this closet and get rid of everything that we can. Just going through a few boxes here at a time. We already got rid of a carload of stuff here. We got all this side cleared out. And so we're keeping a few things here, but we're making a lot of progress. I got it all cleaned out in there. Maybe the robot vacuum will clean in there too. That would be pretty awesome. I got all these boxes out of here. Got a little place left in there for some of my YouTube lights. There's the vacuum. Maybe it'll come and clean in the closet. That would be pretty cool. I'll get out of the way here and see what happens. Maybe that cord will stop it from going in there. I don't know. Yay! All right. The vacuum's gonna clean in my closet. Oh my gosh, this closet hasn't been cleaned for years. New Year's resolution, first one off the list. I got this closet cleaned out. That's pretty awesome, and it's getting vacuumed. I think the next one on my list is to put this cord away. I need to run this cord maybe through the wall and then run it back along the closet and out the other side here, because I think this cord on the floor here causes some issues. Kind of wrap it up there for now. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. This is all cleaned out in here. And then up here, I just got some blankets and some pillows and then a few things that I use for my YouTube studio. And then an air mattress. If we have extra company, we can put that out in the living room. And I just got some lights down here. Pretty cool.